is 4 August, 4th August 2026 and we are in Dongori in Navili constituency. आमचे जे आम्ही तुमका feedback दित असले, this is regarding that property of Chavan, Dilip Chavan, जे लोकांचे objection असा, डोंगरे आमचे ward लोकांचे objection हा because of lot of loopholes. So today the 18 survey number आमचा जो असा 18/2C आणि 18/2P तो part. So Ajir eyes inspection करपाक आम्ही finally we were successful in getting the TCP guys. So TCP सान आमचो रोहन तसो शैलेश आणि पुंडलिक हे तीग जाणांनी आयज आयले. सगळे आमचे गांवचे लोक आशिल्ले. हे गांवचे लोकांक धरून आम्ही तांकां मेजरमेंट्स घेवपाक लायले. फर्स्ट they were denying to do this road. ओपे वो जो रोड आसा आणि वो रोड कळ्ळे तुका न्ही, द वेस्टर्न साइड जो आसा तो रोड बिकॉज त्याने सगळे मटेरियल बी हाडपाक वो रोड यूज केल्लो आसा. तुम्ही पयलो आसतले पत्रे आसा ते he has used this road. But somehow the TCP guys started giving us excuses that it is not about this road. He is asking for the back road. ते फाटल्यान आसा तो जो ह्या प्रॉपर्टीतल्यान ताजे ओल्ड जे बिल्डिंग आसा अमेलगमेट केला पळय त्या सायडीन. So we told him that we have called you for the inspection of this western road. So we forced him, and when the inspection was done, people are witness to it. TCP was there, Sarpanch आमचो नाविलीचो Paul Pereira was there, and all of us measure केले रामपोयल्यार रस्तो from that end to that end we have done. Go to see खंय तरी 2.80 square meter हे जाता, खंय 3 मीटर, खंय 3.5 मीटर, 4 मीटर दिकून ना. आणि तुमका खबर आसा रस्तो म्हणटा तो 6 मीटर आसपाक जाय. सो देन हे मेजरमेंट केला. नाव दे विल बी डुईंग रिपोर्ट. इन्स्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट करतो की दॅट रिपोर्ट विल बी गेटिंग. I have signed on the report, Sarpanch Paul has signed, and like-minded all the ward people have signed. Now, since they are giving us excuse that he is asking for that road, there's our one of the amche ward member, she by name Malika Kutino. Malika Kutino has opposed that side. So she is opposed and she has given a letter to BDO, which Rohan Bab, that is TCP, has told her, instructed her that she should submit that same letter to the TCP. So the TCP knows that the people that side also have a problem and issue for this project. I would like to learn it to speak the expansion. Tell anything?
Without the revision, how can it
त्या आटीन तो रोड माग सांग दाखवल त्याने आणि वो रोड तो उजा कोतलो फॉर मटेरियल हाडपाक. त्या आटीन केलतो तेंगे ऑब्जेक्शन हा म्हणून त्या मालिकान सांगिला, फ्लॅट ओनर ऑफ दॅट बिल्डिंग. सो द अदर फ्लॅट ओनर्स they said we are going to send the objection to TCP from BDO to TCP. हे पासोत आणि आमगे ड्रेनेज आहलो ती पुरवल तेमी ते भाशे हे पासोत आमकां हो रोड आम तेंक दिवपा नाका. आमगेले ऑब्जेक्शन हा या रोडाक.
a setback and a parking area here? How can they use a setback and a parking area as a road to come from down to top to this plot, which is illegal? I do not know how he's going to.
And we have even told them to mention on the report that there is this drainage. जी ड्रेनेज आसा PWD चे ड्रेनेज आसा तेजे देखून तेने पेवर्स घालून ब्लॉक केल्ले आसा. ते उदकाची टाकी हा ती ब्लॉक केल्ली आसा टार घालून. सो दिस ऑल इज बीन नोटेड. You can finally.
We all are the concerned residents of Dongori, neighbors of this plot, and I'm the next door neighbor of 18/2BC and 18/2P. आमगे concern कित्या only this road is not enough for this type of construction, 11 flats or kites whatsoever, and that 18/2P same joint plot to but 10 to develop कोतमून दाखवल ना कित्या चड ऑल्ड दाखवलेला लोक आनी चड ऑब्जेक्शन हाडले म्हण. आमगे फकत कन्सर्न कितें 4 meters he declared existing road as 4 meters plus तेगे प्लॅनाचे he showed this entrance which the town planner Rohan is saying the entrance is that side, but the plan clearly shows the entrance is this side, and that side at the dead end he's showing existing village which is not a village. After the dead end there is only one house and that cannot be this korpa zaina mukar village dead end aha. So continue zaina. So amge concern kite TCP and ilolo ittu tek favor magon tene eyes inspection dila maybe 3-4 months more. We are dancing after the TCP to take only the joint site inspection. आनी आयज ते येयले आनी आमकां सांगता एश ते रोडा मेजरमेंट घेयनाय म्हूण बिकॉज 6 meters रोडा घेताय म्हणटे. सो दीस लुक्स क्लियरली हँड इन ग्लव्स विथ द बिल्डर. कित्याक इन्स्पेक्शन आमी मागिलां, बिल्डरान मागलो ना. सो हो मागीर फोर्सफुली सांगतरी तेमी हो मेजर केला विच इज नॉट मोर देन 4 meters. सगळे 2.90 3.80 तशें करून आहा. सो तेमकां विचारले सो हे रोडाचे ते हे जाता तो म्हणपा लागलो ते सायडीन ते एंट्रन्स दिताय म्हण. वेर एज दॅट बिल्डींग इज हॅव्हिंग देआर सेटबॅक ओन्ली 3 meters. आनी तेमगे हुंचे प्लानाचे ना तो अमालगमेशन कोतो म्हण. सो विदाउट टेकिंग दॅम इन टू कन्सिडरेशन हाव वी कॅन डिक्लेअर द TCP दॅट द 6 meters रोड वील बी यूज फॉर द बिल्डींग कन्स्ट्रक्शन. कळ्ळें न्हू कितलें. सो आमचे सायडीन तेणे बॅरिकेड करून टोटल बंद करून तेश वचपाचें. मागीर तूं स्काय स्क्रेपर बांदना कितें मान वी आर नॉट कन्सर्न. आमगे रस्तो आमकां सोड. तुगे आमगे गांवांत तूं बिझनस कोनाका. इफ इट इज हेल्पफुल फॉर द विलेज पीपल देन इट वॉज फायन. हे आमकां फायदा न्हू.
And we also want to
Kitlas.
thank
Thank you.
our social activist Pratima. Though she's not well
she's come
with
today.
fever, she's come to help us.
Thank you, Pratima.
Thank you, Pratima, for always being a support for us.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.